After Drake battle, Kendrick Lamar turns victory lap concert into LA Unity celebration. After a legendary battle between rap heavyweights Drake and Kendrick Lamar, the latter emerged victorious, solidifying his status as one of the greatest rappers of our time. To celebrate his triumph, Kendrick Lamar decided to turn his victory lap concert into a unity celebration in his hometown of Los Angeles. The event was a momentous occasion that brought together fans from all walks of life to revel in the power of music and unity. Kendrick Lamar, known for his thought-provoking lyrics and socially conscious messages, has always been an artist who uses his platform to address important issues facing society. His victory over Drake in the highly publicized battle was not just a win for him personally, but a win for the culture and a reminder of the power of unity and community. The concert took place in the heart of Los Angeles, at the iconic Staples Center, a venue known for hosting some of the biggest events in music and entertainment. The atmosphere was electric as fans poured in from all over the city, eager to witness the historic celebration of Kendrick Lamar's victory. As Kendrick took the stage, the crowd erupted in cheers and applause, showing their unwavering support for the hometown hero. Dressed in all black, with a look of determination in his eyes, Kendrick wasted no time in getting the crowd hyped up with his signature high-energy performance. From hits like Humble to All Right, Kendrick Lamar delivered a show-stopping performance that had the entire crowd on their feet, rapping along to every word. The energy in the arena was palpable, as fans of all ages and backgrounds came together to celebrate the power of music and unity. But the concert was more than just a victory lap for Kendrick Lamar. It was a chance to address the issues that are dividing our society, and to call for unity in the face of adversity. Kendrick spoke passionately about the need for love, empathy, and understanding in a world that is often filled with hate and division. He urged his fans to come together as a community, to support each other and lift each other up, regardless of race, religion, or background. Kendrick's message of unity resonated deeply with the crowd, who responded with cheers and applause, showing their solidarity with his message. Throughout the concert, Kendrick Lamar was joined on stage by a diverse array of guest artists, including fellow rappers, singers, and dancers. Together, they delivered a powerful performance that showcased the talent and diversity of the Los Angeles music scene. But it wasn't just about the music. Kendrick also used the concert as an opportunity to give back to the community that has supported him throughout his career. He announced a partnership with local charities and organizations dedicated to uplifting underserved communities in Los Angeles, pledging to use his platform and resources to bring about positive change. As the concert drew to a close, Kendrick Lamar delivered a heartfelt speech thanking his fans for their unwavering support and love. He expressed his gratitude for the opportunity to use his music as a tool for change and unity, and vowed to continue spreading positive messages through his art. The concert ended with a powerful encore performance of Kendrick's hit song DNA, with the entire crowd chanting along in unison. As the lights dimmed and the music faded, the crowd erupted in cheers and applause, a symbol of the unity and solidarity that had been on display throughout the night. In the aftermath of the Drake battle, Kendrick Lamar's victory lap concert had transformed into a celebration of unity, community, and the power of music to bring people together. It was a night that will be remembered for years to come, a testament to the enduring legacy of Kendrick Lamar as not just a rapper, but a voice for change and unity in a divided world.